Welcome to my kitchen. I've been cooking for over 50 years, and I absolutely love creating delicious food that people enjoy, whether they're into health or if they're not. You'll always find out about new recipes in our newsletter, and some of my very favorites have been collected into very special cookbooks. In Cooking for Life, you'll learn all about the inflammatory process, which impacts your weight, your hormones, your sleep, your mental retention, and all kinds of other things. You'll learn about sweeteners, you'll learn about good fats, you'll learn about how to travel and eat healthy. Those recipes absolutely spectacular. And then I added some of my favorites, chocolate and everything else. You'll learn how to cook chocolate recipes, but so much more, from appetizers to main dish and even desserts without chocolate. And throughout the year, we always let you know in our newsletter, we'll do specials for holidays. It might be Valentine's Day, it might be during the summer, and it might be during the holidays. Food is so important to our bodies, but it's not about deprivation. It's about the love of food that your bodies love that helps you create amazing health. And where does it start? In your kitchen, as you learn from me in my kitchen.